Well, ladies and gents, hopefully everybody out there is keeping well. I know it's the summer, which is why I want to make this video for you, because probably a lot of people are distracted and are not paying attention to the stock market, but there's a lot of opportunities showing themselves, guys. And I said this a month ago. I've already started buying into selected stocks. And matter of fact, here's a stock that I purchased a month ago, and I alerted you guys on Twitter and the video that I made for you guys here on YouTube. And we're up 30% already since we purchased the $7. Now, the markets have started showing strength one more time, and that's because inflation has been meeting analyst estimates. As I said before, once investors start seeing that inflation is not gaining, it's not increasing in percentage wise, it's just meeting, then the next thing that makes sense to them and to everybody is inflation should come down. Once you lift this pressure on top of the stock market that's called inflation, markets of course will, bloom one more time and start making their way upwards. In regards to such markets, if we just look at the Nasdaq itself, you can see the Nasdaq has been doing that. It's been consolidating sideways and then finally breaking through that structure. And again, it will consolidate one more time and breaks through the structure as we get more good news and more reports and more developments in the economy and inflation comes down. We will keep going sideways after gaining and going sideways and then breaking structure. And of course, by the time we break the final structure, we're back to normal. So here's the next structure we're gonna meet. Then this is the next structure. If we look at Dow Jones, for example, guys, and I'm hanging there, all right? I'm gonna show you something here that a lot of you will be interested in, which is a watch list I've had for 3 years that I pick and choose from which stocks to swing. So if you want to know what a consolidation period looks like, this is it. This is what a consolidation period looks like. Ups, downs, ups, downs, ups, downs, right? So the market just goes sideways. It doesn't gain, it doesn't lose, it just stays sideways. Now, if you look at this as a day trader, that's beautiful. From a swing trader point of view, of course, just holding stocks, there's nothing wrong with that, knowing that in 6 months' time you could be sitting at 33,000 Dow Jones wise and 34,000 going back to normal. So that's just the overall picture, guys. In regards to selected stocks, of course, what I recommend is, and what I've been doing personally, is taking my day trading profit and putting it into my portfolio. So that way I make profit day trading. Then I take my day trading profit and I make 30-20% on top of that profit. And what a better time to do that, guys, than, being at the bottom, which is where we are currently. So let's walk through this watch list, and feel free to screenshot this, guys, if you want. And it's mixed, right? There's some penny stocks here that I watch for day trading, and there's some high cap stocks that I focus on for long-term trading. So technology, clean energy is really where it's at, especially because technology stocks, tech stocks have been beat down the most. But now it seems like we're coming to some developments, and of course it doesn't mean the markets will just shoot up and skyrocket after this video. As I said, it's up down, so do not FOMO. If you really want to go in immediately, go in with 10%. On the next drop, add more and more and more and more, so you average down. So for some stocks, if we look at the overall picture 6 months, you can see we're still at the bottom, really, but we have bottomed out. This is what bottoming out looks like. It's just ups, downs. It just remains on the floor. It's like a snail, right? So it just needs that big push to come through, and I believe, as I said before, the big push is coming. But if you're not a holder, if you're not a swing trader, come with us. We'll teach you to day trade. There's a free Discord chat for you guys. It's at 1,000 members now, active daily. So and I've brought to you guys mentors to help out for free. By the way, everything is for free. So they will teach you how to day trade futures, and of course take your profits and put them into swing trading positions. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys, is we have reached the bottom and things are looking okay in regards to reports coming out, stocks are releasing their earnings, and the earnings are not great, but they're not bad like analysts have expected, which means if we had factored in previously that reports will be negative, and then the reports come out and they're not negative, of course you have a stock that shoots up in value, which is what you're seeing currently here. So that doesn't mean it will continue upwards. No, it will need to come down, and that's your opportunity to go in and scoop shares at a cheap price. And that's why I want to make this video, because we have an opportunity now, and of course I don't want you guys to miss out. Now of course, always do your research. Some of you will do well day trading, some of you will do well swing trading, but day trading, taking your profits, putting into your portfolio and taking 10-20% on top from your swing trading positions, that's a good strategy to create a bit of wealth. With that being said, I'm done. See you guys soon. Peace and love as always. Have a look at the description for some details and some resources that you guys can benefit from. With that being said, guys, peace.